Okay, Grampy's going up into the attic. The attic door is insulated. The pull-down ladder, it's insulated. That's a good thing. It was nailed in place. That's a good thing. We're going here to the side hinges. The holes are filled. But we do not have holes here. These holes are not filled with nails. Right there. It says drive, what does that say? Drive nail through hole in metal bracket. Okay. Here we go. We're in the attic. Looking for a light switch. Be nice. Be nice if we had some light. That says heat. We want that on. It's the indoor air handler. Where's the light switch? Surely we got a light switch around here. I mean, we can live without it. Sure would like to see it. There's a little wall down here. There's that light switch is on. Okay. Set you up. Hang on. Fish out a flashlight. Here we go. These are the indoor air handlers. Some people call them furnaces. See? Heat. Well, but it's half of your air conditioner. This is the evaporator coils right here. There's a fan that runs for the air conditioning. And then we have the gas for the furnace. This gas pipe's in the way. Should be a wooden stand, some kind of protection so we don't step on it. This gas piping here, this connector, there should be a sediment trap, a drip loop on that. There's the care and use manual. It looks like it's installed pretty good, and also looks like this is awesome. Looks like we got rigid duct. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed by that. Roof decking is plywood. Nothing particularly wrong about that. You're supposed to have an unobstructed 22-inch platform to everything, and then a 36-inch service platform in front of your furnace. We don't quite have that here. We're just a little bit shy. Evaporator coils. This is your primary drain line right here. That's called a shallow trap. Shallow trap. Some manufacturers aren't too keen on shallow trap. Looks like there's no rust. No rust. This is a hillbilly home inspections. I'm up here just talking about it. We're discussing. Discussing and discussing. Here we go. Again, no sediment trap. It's the same thing. This is the upstairs unit. There's the flues, properly supported. There's no sediment trap, shallow trap. They're both of them installed by the same guy on the same day, doing the same things. There's a little bit of flexible duct right there. We have some flexible. I'm looking for air filters. You don't have any air filters up here? Okay, then they'll be downstairs. We're not through. Inquiring minds want to know. Okay, so this is the upstairs unit. There's the switch for that. There's the refrigerant lines. By the way, we're inside now, so this foam is perfectly acceptable inside. It's on the outside where you get the rigid foam. Let's see what we can see up here. Let's see what we can see. One thing I can't see, well, I can see a little daylight over there. One thing I can't see is I'm not seeing any soffit vents, and I'm seeing loose fill insulation, and I am not seeing, that's a bathroom vent over there. Where does that go? That's someplace I can't see. I'm not seeing soffit baffles, soffit vent baffles. I'm not seeing those. No soffit vent baffles, loose fill. About, I don't know, what would you say that is? I'd say it's about 8 9. There goes the bathroom vent over there. It's still traveling. I'll go outside and see if I can find it. That's what I need to do. You see these trails in the insulation? You see those? People didn't make those trails. People did not make those trails. Nieces made those trails. Saved by the Bell. Let's see here. Good home, this is Bud. Hey, I'm doing fine.